This is a one-legged wall squat using the ball. So I'm going to position the ball against my post here, and then I'm going to press my body, pushing back through the ball into the wall. Feet are going to go forward, so feet are about 12 inches forward from the bottom of my hips. And maybe do a practice two-legged squat before you go into this, and just make sure that as you squat down, all your weight's going into your heels, not into your toes. If your weight's shifting into your toes, if you can't wiggle your toes, you need to take a longer stride. From this position, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my right foot and just move it into the center line of my body, and my left foot is just going to float up off the floor as I squat down into that single leg squat. That's pretty challenging, so what you might want to do is just try starting out by pressing your left heel just slightly in front of your right foot, and then your left heel will be able to provide a little bit of assistance as you do that modified version. And as you feel comfortable with that, then you can go into the full one-legged wall squat. Last thing I like to do is with my arms, as I go down, arms come out for a counterbalance, exhale. It's a breath in on the way down, exhale on the way back up. That's your one-legged wall squat using a ball.